The ToolPRO Rechargeable LED Underbonnet Worklight is a powerful alternative to traditional corded models with a compact folding design. This worklight packs a punch with surface-mounted diode LED technology, delivering 155 lumens on low or a blazing 485 lumens on high output. The internal 2200 mAh lithium-ion battery will keep light on your engine bay for 5 hours on low and 2 hours on high power before needing a recharge. Unfolded, the worklight measures 1340 millimetres long with spring-loaded retractable mounting ends, allowing it to clamp to the underside of most bonnets. Twist the locking knob in the centre and your worklight folds in half for easy storage in the toolbox. This is even handier if you like to carry your worklight in the vehicle. Supplied with both 12 and 240-volt chargers, topping up the internal battery is simple whether you use it on the road or in the workshop. Compact, bright and versatile, it's everything you could want in a worklight. Grab your ToolPRO Rechargeable LED Underbonnet Worklight at Supercheap Auto today.